Hey, Gospel Guitarist here, and what I'd like you to do is take a look at these knobs and tell me which one is the Gibson, original Gibson part. We all want to save money on our Gibson, changing colors of cream to black or to gold, and there's just hordes of these things have just flooded the market. So which ones fit your pots, which ones won't fit? Is it American, is it standard, is it metric, is it what the hell? What is the difference? Well, in this video I hope to expose a few of the differences and why you might consider just going ahead and buying a $20 set of knobs and get original Gibson parts, because they're not the same. Have you picked it? Okay, let's take a look, shall we? Okay, one of these knobs is not like the others. Now, can you tell which one's an original Gibson part now? And if you're choosing the one with more clear and brighter numbers on it, you'd be correct. The other three are foreign made. This is a high performance Les Paul faded cherry guitar. It's a Gibson, it's not an Epiphone. And it came with those really chromed out look to the guitar, and I've changed it all to black. So I needed these barrel knobs, the speed knobs. And I figured, well, let's just give it a shot and see if they'll work. You never know. Gibson's always changing out their pots anyway, and this guitar has that new wiring system that they're using, so they have a motherboard and the pots are soldered right to it, so I had no idea. So we tried the $6 knobs, and as you can see, they don't go all the way down. They don't sit against the guitar at all. They're way up in the air, because if you look at the knobs, you'll notice they're not the same height as the original Gibson knob on the right. The Gibson knob is all the way down to the top of the nut that holds on to the pot. And the other ones are way up in the air above the pot. You can even see the shaft. So the numbers are not as clear on the cheap ones. There's not very much clear plastic at the top. So the actual overall height of the import knobs are not as high or deep as the original Gibson part, which is this guy over here. Notice how he sits down on the pot, where the other ones are too high. You can see the numbers are thicker, and there's more plastic to the knob, which means you get better grip on it when you roll your pinky around it or whatever, your finger. So that's the difference in original Gibson and import. At first take, you might think it's the same stuff, but they really aren't. You also break the knobs, and when you try to put them on, so you're never going to get them to go all the way down because they're just simply not deep enough. So spend the 20 bucks, get a quality knob, and make your guitar look nice and be happy, because your guitar wants to be happy, and we want to be happy as players. So anyway, that's my take on the knobs, which basically all of us guitarists know that the shafts are all different sizes and everything. So, but I thought I would just kick this out there when I got my knobs to actually see what the hell is the difference anyway. So that's the difference. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.